Right now I've got the back rod in around my door, so it just needs to be caulked, and the door needs to be painted, and then we're off to finishing the rest of the siding. Hey guys, so oh my gosh, I can see my breath. It's really cold here in Canada, but I've been really excited to see how the progress has been coming. We got the front door in, nice full glass. I've gotten a lot of questions about the inside of the house, and so this is what I wanted to show you today. Right now it is a disaster. At the back we have some insulation just leaning up against the wall, and that's mostly because I had to tear up my floor, and I haven't finished putting it back together yet because now I have siding boxes on the floor. So we're kind of just waiting to finish the siding so I can finish the floor, and then the inside will be ready to start putting insulation in, getting electrical, plumbing, and the fun just continues from there. Welcome to my loft. Right up above me we have our skylight, and to the side we have a nice window to let some fresh air flow in. Since the last update, a lot has happened. I know it's been quite a few months since my last update. In about mid-February I was putting siding on the front of my house, and the ladder just bottomed out right below me. So it took me a little bit of some time to heal and to be able to get back up and finish working on the tiny house. So I've made some progress. We've put in some insulation, built the loft, and so it's been really exciting to see things coming together, and we will keep you updated on Instagram as well. I think that's been where the most updates have been along the way between videos, but as well as right here on YouTube, so you can stay tuned and I'll keep the updates rolling. Have a great one!